go if that time has already passed. That's what makes it really useful for events, reminders, announcements, giveaways, launches, and anything else where you want people to know exactly how much time is left. The really cool thing is that Discord updates that automatically, so you don't have to keep changing the message yourself. Now, besides relative time, Discord also gives you other timestamp styles. You can show the short date, the long date, the short time, the long time, or the full date and time. And if someone hovers over the timestamp in Discord, they'll also see the exact full date and time for that timestamp. So this is helpful not only for countdowns, but also if you just want to make your messages look cleaner and more professional inside your server. I'm also going to leave a link in the description with all the Discord timestamp formats, so you can check every style and see examples of what each one looks like. For this tutorial though, we're mainly focusing on the relative time format because that's the one you want if your goal is to create a custom countdown. Now, when you look at a Discord timestamp, you're going to notice a big number in the middle. That number is called a Unix timestamp. Basically, it's a number that represents a specific moment in time. To get that number, you can use a website like Epoch Converter. I'll leave that link in the description too. On that website, you can either copy the current Unix time or generate a Unix timestamp for a specific date and time. So, for example, if I copy the current Unix timestamp and paste it into the Discord timestamp format, then add a little extra time to it, Discord will turn it into a countdown. If I only add a few seconds, it might say in a few seconds. If I add more time, maybe a few hundred seconds, then Discord might show something like in 4 minutes. And if I want a countdown for tomorrow, or for a specific day and hour, I can just go to Epoch Converter, enter the exact date and time I want, copy that Unix timestamp, paste it into the Discord format, and send it in my channel. Once I send it, Discord automatically displays that time in the proper format. Another really nice thing about Discord timestamps is that they adjust to each user's local time zone automatically. So even if someone is in a different country, they'll still see the correct time on their side. That makes this super useful for international servers, community events, and team announcements. So just to keep it simple, the basic idea is this. You copy the Discord timestamp format, replace the number with your Unix timestamp, and choose the style you want to use. If you want a countdown, use the relative time version. If you want a normal date display, you can use one of the other timestamp styles instead. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you can make a custom countdown in Discord using timestamps. I hope this tutorial helped you out. If it did, don't forget to leave a super thanks, like the video, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.